Dubai chocolate today. Hey guys, I'm gonna be making the Dubai chocolate today, and yeah, so basically, I'm recording this. We're gonna go ahead and grab this chocolate bottom, the bottom of it, and I'm going to. Stop it, it's so hot, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna need way more chocolate. That's super hot still. Also, side note, this chocolate is really hot because it just came off the double. Boiler? You know what I see people do with this? Is they kind of take the mold and they kind of like drip it like that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no. That was a fucking fail. That was a fucking fail, bro. What did I just do? Yo, I just fucking failed, like, miserably at this. Are you kidding me? No way, I just fucking fucked it all up. But it's okay, because we can always just do a little do-over. I think I overloaded it too much, unfortunately. And yeah, but I'm just gonna put this in the freezer and see what happens. That's my take on the viral Dubai chocolate. I don't know. It's been consuming my life for the past like 10 days. So we're gonna just leave it at that. I don't know what else to do. It's in the fucking freezer. I even cut myself while making this. Like, so I don't want to do it. If y'all don't think it's good, then don't eat it. I'm definitely gonna make another. We still have more chocolate, more tahini, and more pistachio butter, but so far, that's what we got.